Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you, step by step, how you can track or secure your lost or stolen device using your Google account, right from your computer. So let's get started. From my desktop, I clicked on the Chrome icon in the taskbar, which opened my Google homepage. In the top right corner, I clicked on my account icon to open a drop-down menu, and from there I selected Manage Your Google Account. This opened the Google Account Manager. On the left sidebar, I clicked on Security. Once the security section loaded, I scrolled down until I found the Your Devices section, and then clicked on Manage All Devices. A new page appeared showing all the devices where my Google account is currently signed in. In my case, there were two: my Windows PC and my Oppo F21 Pro smartphone. I clicked on the mobile device and Google asked me to confirm my password. I entered it and clicked Next. Now I could see three options: Sign Out, Find Device, and Don't Recognize Something. I selected Find Device, and Google's Find My Device hub asked for location permission, so I clicked Accept. This opened a new interface with a live map on the right and three controls on the left: Play Sound, Secure Device, and Factory Reset Device. First I clicked Factory Reset Device. A confirmation pop-up appeared explaining that clicking Next would erase all data from my phone. I didn't want to proceed, so I closed it, but if you need to erase your lost phone, you can continue from here. Next, I clicked Secure Device, which showed a pop-up explaining that it would lock my phone remotely. I chose not to proceed, but if your phone is lost, you can use this option to protect it. Finally, I clicked Play Sound, and immediately my phone started ringing with its default ringtone, even if it was set to silent mode. I also clicked the refresh button to fetch the latest location of my phone, which was then displayed on the map. Remember, location will only show if it's turned on in your device and your phone is connected to the internet. And that's how you can find, lock, or erase your lost device directly from your Google account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our future tech tips.